This is the ride the bull downhill. But I wanted to get the video of the ridges. Super clear today. So the bull bottoms out down there and then climbs up to the top of where those red trees are right there. So you go down, then just shoot right back up it. I'm gonna let that car get it far enough ahead. This is one of the spots where you can get opposite acceleration. Oh, how funny. Oh well. I guess when you don't carry as much momentum up, so the opposite acceleration is gone, but where the 3-second acceleration is already ticked above 10,000 feet an hour, and the 30-second acceleration is still pegged way below 10,000 feet an hour, you know, descending 20,000, 30,000, who knows. I wish the Garmin would show that, but it just shows dashes. This is where I turn around up here.